Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili soya. First, you'll need to hydrate your soya chunks. Take 1 cup of dry soya chunks and soak them in hot water for about 15 minutes until they become soft. While they're soaking, chop 1 medium onion and 1 capsicum into squares and mince 2 green chilies. Also, prepare 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. For the sauce, measure out 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. These are the foundational ingredients for our delicious dish. Once your soya chunks are soft, gently squeeze out all the excess water. This step is crucial for them to absorb the flavors later. Season them with a pinch of salt and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Next, lightly coat the soya chunks with about 1/4 cup of corn flour. This will give them a lovely crispy texture when fried. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, capsicum, ginger, and garlic, and sauté them until the onions become translucent and fragrant. Now it's time to get those soya chunks crispy. In a separate pan with hot oil, deep fry the corn flour-coated soya chunks until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once crispy, remove them and set aside. To your sautéed vegetables, add the premixed soy sauce, tomato ketchup, and chili sauce. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, add the crispy fried soya chunks to the pan, tossing them gently to ensure they are thoroughly coated in the rich, spicy sauce. To finish, garnish your hot chili soya with freshly chopped spring onion greens. This adds a vibrant color and a delightful crunch. Your easy chili soya is now ready to be enjoyed. It makes a fantastic appetizer on its own, or you can serve it as a flavorful side dish with vegetable fried rice or Hakka noodles. And speaking of easy, make meal prep a breeze with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals. This dish is truly versatile and a crowd pleaser, so get ready to savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.